Ka District School Education Officer West Giant Hills haka santrik nailur kala Rakhe ya kesngi kerpang jongki nonghikai ne 64th Teachers Day haka jingyalang kabalalong ha District Library Auditorium mentong Jowai. Haka di kesngi UMLA ke Jowai ma wailat miki Syllad ubalalong kum ukongsan ulayaro bat ai kuble ya baru ki nonghikai da kabaong baki long ki nong te ya kari bat ki nong sain dor ya kalawe jongki kena school lingba ka jing IT lut bat ka jing syakri jongki. Ula ongru baka Teachers Day kam day tang ka jing Rakhe ban itu ya usnyang henry ka day ru ka jing Rakhe ya kador ki jing hikai bat ka jing ai mensim bala ai da ki nonghikai. Kum ka jing itu ya ka jing syakri ka ba IT lut jongki UMLA ula samru ya ka District Award Syaki nonghikai bakuntup ka Womper lalu Headmistress St. Right Secondary School Jowai ka Lanun Siami Syllad Assistant Teacher Jing Shai Mingi Adventist Secondary School Jowai ka Sumarlang Pakma Head Teacher PM Shri Tepep Pale Government Lower Primary School Jowai ka Emida Kalingdo Guide Captain ka Jowai Open Unit Guide Company bat Umartin Poplan Scout Master ka Amlarem Secondary School Scout Troop. La penpu penping ya ke jing Rakhe da ki jing syat jing ruai bala shimbenta da ki school baper ke district.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a note, remember once more.
This isn't supposed to be the celebration of only of the teachers. But I feel that all from different part of life should be here and celebrate it together. So my request to the SDO, maybe in the coming years, that I hope that I feel that invitation should go to the headman, to the Jowai, to other civil society leaders. I think all should be here and celebrate it together. And being especially West End in the district, I must congratulate to all the teachers. No doubt when a student fails, when a school doesn't perform well, the first question is pointed toward the teachers. But I take this opportunity to congratulate all of you, especially this past years. West Giant Hills have been performing very well in the state. I think every year we are just behind the East Khasi Hills, and East Khasi Hill, which is uncomparable if we see in terms of educational institute or any other aspect. But still, we are not far behind from East Khasi Hills. So for this, I would really like to congratulate you. And also we have seen that our schools in the district, not only the private institution, but even our government institutions are coming up in the top 10, top 20 lists. So this is a big thing. This shows the hard work, the commitment, and the sacrifice you have been given. As you have seen, education department, especially in the past few years back, if you remember, there were so many issues, whether it is with the appointment of teachers, whether with BEd college, with many things, infrastructure and so on. But I'm very proud to say that under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, he's trying his level best, and the Honorable Education Minister. We have seen that a lot of infrastructural development is happening, even in Jowai constituency itself. If you see whether it is a government boys, government girls, the lower primary schools in the rural areas, very soon we will be getting the extension of the college building of the Kyangnamba Government College, and we could able to start the now I think it will be the second session of the B.Ed college here in the Kyangnamba, and so on. Things are coming up, and the government are trying to do reforms, but we do realize in any changes, in any reforms, there will be little bit of lapses. And in that, we need your guidance, your suggestion, your cooperation. And just whatever happened, just remember that the government is with you. All this we are trying for our teachers and our students. If you are not happy, then there is no point of doing it. Which I hope that in the coming days there will be series of meetings, series of seeking your suggestion, and now we have a board, education board, to look after all this. So there should be not that much gap between the government and the teachers. So I'm confident that in the coming days, things will improve.
Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.